Good afternoon. Almaty Dolphinarium Nemo. What can I do for you?
Hi, I'd like some information, please.
Certainly. What exactly would you like to know?
Could you tell me your opening times at the weekend, please?
At the weekend, we are open from 12 in the afternoon until 7 in the evening.
Okay. How much does it cost to get in?
Tickets are 3,000 tenge for adults and free for children under 5. There is a discount if you buy your tickets online.
I see. Where is the Dolphinarium exactly? I'm on holiday with my family and we are staying in the town centre.
From the town centre, you need to take the number 12 trolley bus that goes towards the Central Park. The Dolphinarium Nemo is right next to it on Gogol Street.
Let me write that down, please. The number 12 trolley bus, right?
Yes, that's it.
Thank you for your help.
My pleasure. Enjoy your visit to the Dolphinarium.